Okay. Hello, everybody. I've never done this before. This is a little, we're making some brownies. I'm doing a little voiceover right now. Hopefully it goes well. I've never really done a voiceover thing, but you know what? This is what we're gonna do. This is the equipment you need. It's all in the description below if you need. And yeah, all the instructions are also in the description below. These are the ingredients you need in the description below as well. I hope. Make sure to tie your hair, everyone. Clap. Okay. Step 1. Look at your reference video, because if you don't know what you're doing, then it won't go well. You need a bowl. You need a measuring cup. Get your sugar. Put it in. You need a small bowl. You get your butter. You put it in there. You put it in the microwave. But you take the wraps off first. You put it in. You melt them. 2 sticks of butter. Look at reference video again. Do a weird thing to the camera. Take it out. Smush it up. Make it look like scrambled eggs. Throw it in again. Take it out. And then we just pour it in. Now we got the butter in there. Now look for a teaspoon, and got the teaspoon. Espresso powder. Teaspoon. Now we got the vanilla extract, I think, or whatever. We pour some. Make sure to spill a lot. And put it in. There we go. Shake vigorously. Eggs. 4 eggs, 2 egg yolks. We've never done the egg yolk only before.
No!
And you can probably tell.
I'm a genius! Oh, I'm so good. Look at this. Look at the egg yolks.
Genius. Whisk them together. Now you put your Hershey's cocoa. Well, not just cocoa powder. It doesn't have to be Hershey's. And then you put your olive oil.
Oh,
Vegetable
yeah.
oil.
It's all coming together now. Smells so good.
It smells good. Now in a separate bowl, you get your bread powder. And then you get your salt. And then you get your baking powder. And then you whisk it together. And then you get your chocolate. And then you mix them together. Did that sound cool? I hope it sounded cool. That's why I didn't talk. Then you put all your powders in, and then you mix that all together. Make sure you fold it over on itself. And at the end, it should look like that. And then you get your pan, and then you get some either butter or oil or something. And then you put it on the bottom so the paper does not stick. And it's parchment paper. And then after that, cut the corners, just to make it fit nice and neat. Because we don't want extra flappy folds over there, because that's not good. Make sure it's all good, though. It's looking good. I think it's good. It's good. Oh my god, I forgot to edit this part out. Maybe I'll do it in post afterwards. Oh my god, I forgot that. Oh my god, I didn't even. Now, just pour it in. Nice and neat. We don't want any messes here. It is chocolate, so it does stain. But don't worry, because we're doing good. Just smooth it out. Make sure it's nice and even all around. And then we had our oven preheating, so we pop it in the oven. Superman. And because you're a nice guy, you put the dishes away. But make sure it doesn't fall. And then you clean up. You take it out. You do the toothpick trick. Now you hit record on your other camera, and then you sync it up. Just like that. Oh yeah. You cut it up, pop it out. Give some to your mom, of course.
That's good.
This has been Making Brownies with
Keijiro.
Cooking with Keijiro. Brownie making with
Keijiro.
Brownie making. Keijiro cooking class.
Yeah, I mean, this is supposed to be it. Give me a recording intro. But, yeah. Hope it went well. Hope my commentary was good. Hope my baking skills were good. I mean, they were, but hopefully they were entertaining, you know. Putting it all in together, mixing it all up. Hopefully you learned a thing or two. Hopefully you learned a thing or two. This video was brought to you by Binging with Babishon. He's not a sponsor. I just got all my recipe and the video idea from him. So if you don't know who he is, go look at him and then watch him. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you didn't like, subscribe, comment, dislike, share buttons, all the other options if you want to, but you don't have to if you don't want to. And thank you all so much for watching. And have a great, fantastic rest of your day, night, evening, whatever time it is. Just have a fantastic rest of your day or night. Bye!